To find the equation of a line perpendicular to any given line in the coordinate plane, we need to find the slope of that original line first. So let's go ahead and do so right here. Remember, recall, slope is the ratio of the rise to the run between any 2 points on that line. And to find the rise, we need to subtract the y-coordinates. Here, 3 minus -1. To find the run, we need to subtract the x-coordinates, respectively, within the same direction that we subtracted the y-coordinates. So here, 1 minus -9. And look at that. The denominator is going to be 1 plus 9, because minus negative, subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. It's equivalent. So the denominator is 10, and our rise is going to be 4. And the ratio 4 to 10 is 2 to 5. So the slope of our original line is 2/5. But recall that if we want to find the equation of a perpendicular line, we need to take the original slope and take the reciprocal and negate it. Slopes of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. So the slope that we need is -5/2 right there. So now, given that the point passes through -4, 7, we can substitute that x coordinate of 4 for the x value right there, and we could substitute temporarily that y coordinate of 7 in for the y value right there, right? Remember, that point, -4, 7, is a solution to the equation we seek. That means it makes both sides of the equation the same. So we need to solve for the b value that makes that happen, if you will. So let's do the math there. The left side is 7, the right side comes out to be -2.5 times -4. Which is, let's see, the opposite of -20/2 is 10, right? So put that negative up there. And so right here, right? 10 plus what is 7? Well, 10 minus 3 is 7, so the answer is -3. So here we can go ahead and take away 10 from both sides to balance that equation out, to get b by itself. And so our y-intercept is -3. So we can write the equation of our perpendicular line as y equals -5/2 x minus 3 right there. And that is the equation that we seek. And graphically, this makes sense because if you look at the original line, look at that. The slope there is 2 to 5. Rise divided by run is 2 to 5, which makes the opposite reciprocal -5 to 2. You see what I mean right there? So the slope of that perpendicular line is -5/2, and look at that y-intercept right there. Isn't it -3? Graphically, this makes sense, and we've just confirmed graphically what we just solved for algebraically.